In today's video, you will learn how to buy stock on Robinhood. To begin, open the Robinhood UK website or the Robinhood app and sign in to your account. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can manage your investments and access trading features. Make sure your account is fully set up and funded so you have enough buying power available to complete a purchase. Next, use the search bar to find the stock you want to buy. You can type in the company name or its ticker symbol and the platform will show you relevant results. Select the correct stock to open its dedicated page. Here you will see important details such as the current price, performance chart, and key information about the company. Reviewing this data is helpful because it gives you a clearer understanding of how the stock is performing before you invest. Before placing an order, check your available buying power. Robinhood will only allow you to purchase stock if you have sufficient funds in your account. This ensures that your order can be completed without any issues. Once you are ready, click or tap the buy button. You will then be asked to choose how you want to invest. You can enter the number of shares you want to purchase or specify the exact amount of money you want to invest in the stock. This flexibility allows you to invest based on your budget or strategy. After entering your order details, carefully review everything on the confirmation screen. Make sure the stock, amount, and order type are all correct before proceeding. This step is important because it helps prevent mistakes before the order is finalized. When everything looks accurate, click Submit or Buy to place your order. Robinhood will then process the transaction based on current market conditions. Once the order is completed, the stock will appear in your Robinhood portfolio. From there, you can track its performance, monitor changes in value, and manage your investment over time. And that is how you buy stock on Robinhood step by step.